I'm going to show you how to open the Imagine Learning website from Boise School District and My Apps. So go to the Boise School District website and click on the Parents and Patrons tab. Scroll down to where it says Parent Resources and click on Teaching and Learning. When you get to Teaching and Learning, scroll down on the right side and click where it says My Apps. You might have to open this into a larger window and stretch it out like that. To get a full screen. This is the Imagine Learning icon. So you're going to click on the Imagine Learning icon. Now you are on the login page for Imagine Learning. So you should have your student or your child's login information either from their ELL teacher or from their classroom teacher. So you're going to type in their username and then their password and click on Login. When you get to this page, you're going to click on the blue rectangle that says Imagine Learning Language and Literacy. That will take you to this page. They will ask, is this your name? And if it is your student's name, click yes, and that will open the application. It will take you to where your student left off last time they used the application.
Applications.
Your student should work for about 20 or 25 minutes each day on Imagine Learning. It will automatically log them out after 20 or 25 minutes. If you have any questions or need help, please contact your classroom teacher or your ELL teacher.